Okay, DSNH, I will pin you, I will pin you again. Okay, I will pin DSNH again, guys. Okay, another one, DSNH. Thank you for staying. Yan, nag-stay naman si DSNH, guys. Okay, I will give you another thumbs up. Another 3 hearts for DSNH, guys. Lately, people say that I'm amazing. Yan. Okay, Mera, very good. Okay, I will pin you. Pwede ko ba i-pin to rito? Let me see if I can pin you here. Pin. Ay, hindi. Report lang nga nandito. Okay. Okay, Mera, wait ah. Done DSNH and already giving you. Yan, dito naman tayo kay Mera, guys. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know. Das Baya. Thank you, Mera. Okay, Mera, I'm in your video. Going to Mera. Okay, I will give you 3 likes, 3 hearts for your short video. 1. Okay. Thank you, Mera, for coming. 2. Okay. 2 short video for Mera. 3. Okay, Mera. 3 short video for you. Yan, 3 short video for Mera. Okay, you cannot see my your video because my my picture is black. Dark. Yan, another one, Mera. You can see my my comment there in your video. Yan. People say that I'm amazing. They don't know that I come running home when Ayun na, meron na. Ayun na, meron na. Yan, meron na. Ay, naku po. Yan, meron na. Tagal ah. Yan, guys. Kung hindi ko pa ni-resume, hindi siya magbabago. Ayan, naka-resume na siya. Ayan, resume. They don't know that I come running on when I fall down. Ayan, na-resume ko. Yun, very good. JB. Ayan, JB. Ayan, ini-resume ko yan. Nagkaroon na siya. So much, guys. Ay, teka nga, wait, where is my let me try again. Para maliwanag. Okay, you see me now. Ang tagal. Hang-hang talaga ang lola nyo, guys, eh. Ayan, ha. O, ayan, nagsublero na ako. Ayan, let me wear my, my cap. JB! Yan, si JB naman, guys. Ang tagal, oh. Yan, okay na. I-resume ko lang. Ayun pala gagawin ko rito. People say that I'm amazing. They don't know. Ayan, JB. Ang tagal mo, bago na ba ayos ha? Yan, okay na. Kita ko na sa sarili ko, guys. Ayan, nandito na ako kay JB. JB Guitar. Okay, JB Guitar. Yan, nandito ako kay JB Guitar, guys. JB Brins 12. Ayun, JB Brins 12 pala to. Ayan na, okay na. May time talaga siya naghahang kasi. Yan, this is JB Guitar, guys.